The recent floods in Thoubal district have led to significant losses, particularly impacting fish farms and paddy fields, with estimated damages exceeding 178 crore rupees. The flood affected 3 subdivisions within the district, Lilong, Thoubal and Wangjing Tenta, collectively damaging 3,644 hectares of paddy fields. As per the preliminary reports collected by the district administration Thoubal from the fisheries officer, Lilong suffered losses amounting to 60.90 crore rupees, with 2,030 hectares of paddy fields affected. Thoubal subdivision reported losses of 38.55 crore rupees, affecting 1,285 hectares, while Wangjing Tenta experienced the highest impact with losses totaling 78.69 crore rupees and 2,623 hectares of paddy fields submerged. The district agriculture officer Thoubal indicated that 54 villages across these 3 subdivisions were affected by the floods. The officer also warned that the number of affected fields and farms might increase as the flooding continues in the region. This preliminary report highlights the ongoing challenges faced by the local population as they cope with the devastating impact of the floods on agriculture and livelihoods.